In yesterday's class, we already discussed about some other courses. So here, in today's session, we discuss firstly about Azim Premji. Azim Premji. We all know about the company Wipro. Azim Premji is the CEO of Wipro. Azim Premji is a great philanthropist, and also his excellence and his service and also his success path is very inspirational to budding entrepreneurs who are trying to prove themselves, who are trying to achieve success, who are trying to become an entrepreneur. So students who are want to be a success leader mustly know about some inspirational business leaders like Azim Premji, N.R. Narayana Murthy, and Ratan Tata, Aditya Birla, Swaraj Pal, J.R.D. Tata, and some other persons. So here students, Azim Premji, a great philanthropist and also a great inspiration to budding entrepreneurs who are wanted to be a successful entrepreneurs, who are wanted to be a successful leaders. Azim Premji always get his success towards to achieve a great billionaire, one of the richest person among the old countries. Azim Premji, a great businessman. Students, Azim Premji. Actually, Azim Premji family were from Kutch. So Azim Premji. Here is some information about Azim Premji. Please write down, students. Azim Premji was born on 24 July 1945 in Bombay. Now he is 74 years old man. Azim Premji completed his BSc degree from Stanford University. And he married Esmore. He had 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter, Rishad Premji and Tariq. Rishad Premji is one of the best entrepreneurs. He also achieved some success. He also proved himself by his father's inspirational views. Rishad Premji, the present CEO of the Wipro companies. Azim Premji take retirement in 2019 from Wipro CEO as Wipro CEO. Now the responsibilities are taken by Rishad Premji. He also proving himself towards to achieving success, towards to Wipro's success. And Azim Premji is a great philanthropist and he rendered his great services to society. He proved himself as a great businessman, also as a great philanthropist, also as a great personality, great inspiring personality to the budding entrepreneurs. Azim Premji, and at an early life, Azim Premji comes from businessman family. His father Muhammad Hasim Premji is also a businessman. He doing his rice business in Burma. At the time of his father's business, his father called as Rice King of Burma. He called as Rice King of Burma. At the time of independence, India was separated by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah invited Azim Premji's father Muhammad Hasim Premji to Pakistan and live there. But Muhammad Hasim Premji rejected his votes, rejected his invitation. He wants to become an Indian. He wants to live in India. So, if he agreed with Ali Jinnah's votes, we miss a great entrepreneur, great businessman, Azim Premji. India misses when he agreed with Ali Jinnah's votes, we may miss Azim Premji, the great entrepreneur, the great achiever. And Azim Premji also rendered his services to in many fields, which is started by Warren Buffett and Bill Padma Vibhushan in 2011, which is the second highest civilian award, Padma Vibhushan. And also he get India Today ranked him in the 9th rank among 50 powerful people of India. 50 powerful people of India in 2007 list. In 2007, among 50 people, he is the most powerful people in the place, getting his place 9th. And also Premji was cited by Forbes magazine as one of the heroes of the philanthropist list. He is a hero of philanthropist. And among 13 altruists in the Asian Pacific region. And coming to what are the inspirational quotes given by Azim Premji? Some of here. By using some inspirational quotes or by inspirational words from Azim Premji, we may get success and we may know how to get our success. So if people are not laughing at your success, if people are not laughing at your success or your goals are too small. If people are not laughing at your goals are too small. When we reach a goal, we may not satisfied. We don't satisfy because goals are very high. So when we achieved a goal, then we started to achieve some other goals, some other big goals. If people are not laughing at your goals, your goals are too small. We are not trying to achieve some other big goals. Then our goals are too small, like too small. So education is the only way to get gold in this country. Because Azim Premji find that many children not going to school. In India, many of the people, India contains more population, but many of the children are not going to school. But education is only way to get ahead in the country. By getting education, by getting literates in country, India and every country may go ahead towards to success and towards to development. So Azim Premji says that education is only way to get ahead in this country, India. And success is achieved twice, once in mind and second one is in real world. What does this mean? Success is achieved twice, once in mind and once in the real world. When we started dreaming at success comes in our mind. And when we work towards to achieve success, the success in the world. Success comes twice, once in mind and once in the real world. Leadership is, Azim Premji gave an inspirational quote about leadership. Leadership is the self-confidence of working with people smarter than you. Leadership is self-confident of working with people smarter than you. These are the words given by Azim Premji. And Azim Premji is a great person and he is a great millionaire and the richest person among the different world countries. And Azim Premji, today's COVID pandemic, Azim Premji donate $134 to PM Relief Fund. And some other inspirational persons also giving their services, giving their donations to today's pandemic COVID-19. So Tata company giving 500 crores and Mukesh Ambani giving 500 crores and also TVS, two-wheeler motor company TVS giving 25 crores and also N. Chandrasekharan company giving 1000 crores towards to today's COVID-19 pandemic. Business leaders are trying to achieving that success and also trying to get better society. inspirations. N.R. Narayana Murthy. We all know about the company Infosys, the farmers company Infosys. N.R. Narayana Murthy, one of the brilliant person who behind in the company Infosys. A brilliant minds behind the India's multinational company Infosys Limited. N.R. Narayana Murthy. He is a brilliant person and also he is an important person to which develops Indian economy. Which person developed Indian economy? So N.R. Narayana Murthy, he is a normal man, looks like a normal man. And his wife Sudha Murthy also a famous Indian social activist. You all know about Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy rendering her services in many fields. He actively participating in social activities, social service activities. Coming to N.R. Narayana Murthy, he is one of the founder of Infosys Limited, and he came from a middle class family. Students, he always dreams at becoming a good entrepreneur. Students, I already told that qualities of leader. So every leader dreaming at a high efficiency work. Every leader dreams at their success. Without dreams, we can't get success. N.R. Narayana Murthy, from his early life, from his childhood, he dreams at how to become a big entrepreneur. I already told that he came from a small family, a middle class family, but he always dreaming at how to becoming a great entrepreneur, how to start a company. What are the possibilities? What are the ways? How to achieve success in his life? In his early life, he born on 20th August 1946. 20th August 1946. Here I want to show N.R. Narayana Murthy's picture. He is N.R. Narayana Murthy. We all are already seeing his pictures in television and also social media. We all are know about his success path and about his company Infosys. N.R. Narayana Murthy born on 20th August 1946. Now he is 73 years old. He completed his engineering IIT Kanpur, National Institute of Engineering, IIT Kanpur. He also about Narayana Murthy. In his early life, he was came from a middle class. His uncle was a civil servant. Narayana Murthy's uncle was a civil servant, and Narayana Murthy's father also advised him go that way, go in his uncle's way. But Narayana Murthy had some other plans, some other dreams. So he wanted to become an engineer. So he appeared to entrance test, and he get good rank and successful rank, and also he get scholarship. But the scholarship is not enough to study, completing his studies. So Narayana Murthy's father unable to give study to him because of his lack of money. So Narayana Murthy's father advised Narayana Murthy as studied in a local college, which is IIT Kanpur, which is Indian Institute of Technology, IIT. So after completion of his education at IIT Kanpur, he goes to dream at how to start a company. But his financial conditions are not supporting to his. He then goes to Indian Institute of Technology in Kanpur and then earned his master's degree from IIT 1969. Completion of his education, he had a chance to meet a famous scientist of US. Through his words, he was very inspired. Narayana Murthy very inspired towards the words of US scientist. So he So Narayana Murthy pursued a career in IT sector, and Narayana Murthy wants to pursue a career in IT sector in Chief Systems Program Manager at IIM Ahmedabad. There he wanted to become. There he worked on installing time sharing computer. There he worked on installing time share computers. It is the India's first. It is the system India's first making. So in Narayana Murthy always says that I am choosing IIM as the company in my first career is the best advice to me. And also he worked overseas in 1970. And also he spent his space on different companies and getting different experiences. And he learned a lot of information from Western countries also in beginning of his career. So he ultimately wanted to become settled in he ultimately wanted to settle in India and start a company. His aim is to start a company in India. So he always wanted to become an entrepreneur. Then he finding the ways how to start a company in India. With the help of 6 other founders, he started Infosys with the expenditure, with the investment of only 10,000 rupees. For that amount, for that investment, he sold his wife's jewelry. So he is a middle class person. The middle class person who proved himself as an entrepreneur, big entrepreneur and big millionaire. So his words and his path and his ways are very interesting. So when we learn about Narayana Murthy's history, we may influence in many types. So Narayana Murthy is a middle class man, but he gets success in his career very efficiently. So Narayana Murthy's life history may encourages us to reach our goals. So we must know about Narayana Murthy and also Sudha Murthy. He is a great personality. He is a great woman because he rendered her services through Infosys in many fields. They looks like a common personalities, not a billionaires, not a millionaires. So they are very interesting persons. Infosys served Narayana Murthy served CEO of Infosys, and he rendered his services to Infosys in many. Under the leadership of Narayana Murthy, Infosys get many profits, and also Infosys become the first listed Indian company with the revenue of 51 billion in a year, which renders services, the largest services in IT sector. And Narayana Murthy is a leader. Unless his leadership, Infosys become with the help of under the leadership of Narayana Murthy, Infosys get many profits. And also Infosys become the first listed Indian company with the revenue of 51 billion in a year. And also in NASDAQ, it also because and some other awards and achievements which are taken by Narayana Murthy are he honored with Padma Vibhushan in 2008, the greatest award of India. Padma Shri. Firstly, he honored with Padma Shri with the highest civilian award, and for his contribution towards industry in 2008. And also in 2000. In 2008, the government honored him as Padma Vibhushan with Padma Vibhushan, the second highest award in the civil award, the second highest civilian award. for his exceptional services to information technology in India. For his exceptional services in information technology. Some information about Narayana Murthy. Please write down, students. Narayana Murthy born on 20th August 1946. Now he is 73 years old person, and he completed his engineering degree in National Institute of Engineering, IIT Kanpur. He was born in Calcutta, Siddhantalagatla, and he also a board member of United Nations Foundation and also Hindu Scotland Ford Foundation. He had 2 children. His wife name is Sudha Murthy, who the person who known as a well active person in social activities. Sudha Murthy is a great social activist. She is also a great philanthropist. She is inspiration to every woman. Sudha Murthy is a inspirational person to every woman through her services. Narayana Murthy had 2 children with Sudha Murthy, Akshantha Murthy and Rohan Murthy. And awards, some awards given by Narayana Murthy are, I already told that, Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, and also Legion of Honor in 2008, and also Sayanji Ratna Award in 2013, and Philanthropist of the Year 2013. And also Narayana Murthy wrote some other books which are very inspirational to us and very useful to Indian economy and very useful to young generations. A Better India, A Better World, and another one is A Clear Blue Sky, and another book is The Wit and Wisdom of Narayana Murthy. In The Wit and Wisdom of Narayana Murthy, we know all information about Narayana Murthy. What are his ways? What are his views? In what way he goes to achieve success? In what way he goes to encourage his subordinates? All those activities we learn about the wit and wisdom of Narayana Murthy. And I am showing that Narayana Murthy's picture. Students, here is some inspirational quotes which are given by Narayana Murthy. They all are the quotes which are coming from Narayana Murthy's words are very inspirational and very useful to our career. So we must understand about Narayana Murthy's quotes and his words and his life history and his path. How he became a great CEO of Infosys, and we all know he came from a middle class family. He don't have sufficient money to complete his study also. In the every life, he don't have sufficient money to complete his studies. So he always finding the ways how to be successful entrepreneur, how to become a successful entrepreneur. Here are some quotes which are coming from the words of Narayana Murthy. Progress is often equal to the difference between the mind and mindset. Progress is often equal to the difference between the mind and mindset. Mind and mindset are totally different. So our mind is different from our mindset. We all know. So progress, the success or the result is oftenly equal to the difference between the mind and mindset. A best quote from his words. And love your job, but never fall in love with your company. Because when we love our job, we may want to improve our qualities, we may want to improve our skills and abilities. When we love company, we are always thinking about owning company, not improving our skills and not improving our abilities. understand his path, and also improve your career. And I would like to tell here his wife Sudha Murthy, because she is an inspirational woman. She is very inspiring woman to every woman. So here I would like to share about some other information about Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy, I already told that she is an active socialist and she rendered his services to many fields. Also she get many more awards. Sudha Murthy, Indian social worker and author. She also wrote many books in Kannada. They are belongings to Karnataka. So, initiated to move provide all government schools. She initiated to move providing all governments in Karnataka with a computer and better library facilities. She served government schools in Karnataka with her aim. What is her aim? Government schools, each and every government schools in Karnataka compulsory having library facilities and also computer. So, with the use of library facilities and with the use of computer technology, students may get much more information and students may improve themselves as a good personalities. Sudha Murthy initiated to provide all government schools in Karnataka with computer and library facilities. And she also gets some more awards, many more awards from different sectors. She is very good in her studies and also her services, and also she is a better half to Narayana Murthy, because she is always encouraged him towards to his success path. Sudha Murthy write a postcard to J.R.D. Tata complaining about gender basis in Tata Motors. She is a brave woman. She always fighting on gender inequalities. She says that all women are very efficient. Women mustly increase their abilities. Women mustly work towards to achieve their goals. Women work towards to improve themselves. Also prove themselves. She is a great inspirational woman. And she get Padma Shri by Indian government, and also Ojaswini Award for her excellence in social activities in 2000, and Millennium Mahila Shiromani Award. And also Sudha Murthy completed his MTech. Sudha Murthy completed her MTech, and also she is a gold medalist in MTech. One of the quote given by Sudha Murthy, very inspiring and very good for her, very good for students. Life is an exam. Life is an exam where the syllabus is unknown, because we don't know what will be happen tomorrow. We don't know what will be happen in the next day after tomorrow. We don't know what are the things happen in our future. So life is a question paper. We must answer that. Life is a question paper. The syllabus is unknown. Where the syllabus is unknown. And question papers are not or there. Model papers are. Question papers are not there, and also model papers are not model papers also not there. So with the help of model papers, we understand what type of questions will become. How the syllabus will complete. But in life, there will be no model papers. There will be no setting of question papers. So we mustly try to success in the exam, in life. So Sudha Murthy is a great woman. Sudha Murthy is very inspirational woman to each and every person. By her services, which are the services rendered by her, she is very motivational person to all over India. She is a great social activist, and also she is a brave woman. She also gets some inspiration awards and also get some great philanthropist awards, and also get some more